Tequila on a boat on a lake on fire, and the tans ain't fake. The girl with the smile smiling at me with my eyes on her in the heat. Yeah, God's taking care of the weather. Life don't get much better than ice in a cup on my lips. Steal another kiss and take another sip of tequila on a boat. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. This is Tequila on a Boat by Dustin Lynch, and I think it's featuring someone else. Yeah, Chris Lane. So both great artists. So the song was requested. If you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. All right, so I'm going to teach you how to play this song. Please hit like and subscribe as well, so you'll get notified when I come out with new tutorials. All right, I really appreciate it. Okay, so you're going to put a capo on the first fret, and it's in standard tuning. All right. You're only going to use a couple of chords here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the chords that you're going to use, and then I'm going to show you where you play them with the lyrics and the strumming patterns, okay? So the chords you're going to use are E, all right, and then you're also going to use A, all right? So the way you do this is you start the song by doing down, down, up, 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 down. Then you switch to A, okay? Down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, then when you go back to E, you're gonna palm mute. So if you don't know how to palm mute, you're putting this part of your hand as close as you can to the white part here. All right, not on it, but right in front of it, and you're gonna hit the bass notes. Okay, so you're gonna do that. And just one more time slowly on that, you're gonna do down, down, up, 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 down. This is on E, down, then you switch to A. Down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, then you go to E and you're gonna do it on blue. Blue in the sky, sky on the water. Blue in the sky, sky on the water. So you're just gonna do straight downs. Blue in the sky, sky on the water. 98 degrees, it's only getting hotter with her looking. Okay, so you're gonna do with her looking. Looking is gonna be A. With her looking like that. 2-piece on a towel in the back. Okay, so you're just doing straight downs, down strokes for the palm muting. Okay. All right. So you're gonna be playing A with her looking like that. 2-piece on a towel in the back. Okay, so you're gonna stay on A, and then you go to E. A song on the speakers turned up loud. Okay, so you're staying on E. So much sun, we ain't ever gonna run out. Can't, then you do can't as A. Can't nobody hate it. I bought a bottle of my favorite. And I would let it ring out here, all right? My favorite. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go right into the chorus, and you're gonna do tequila on a boat, okay? And you're gonna go into boat is where you do E. Boat on the lake. All right, and here's where you're doing down, 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 just like that, okay? So I do down, and then I wait a little bit, down, down, and then I do another down. Down, 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 down. Tequila on a boat is E. Boat on a lake on fire, and the tans ain't fake. The girl with the smile. Okay, then smile, you go to A. Smile, smiling at me with my eyes on her in the heat. Yeah, God's is E. God's taking care of the weather. Life don't get much better than ice in a cup. Okay, cup is E. A cup on my lips. Steal another kiss and take another sip of tequila on a boat. So when you do that last boat, you're gonna go to E, and you're gonna go through the same thing you did at the beginning. You're gonna do down, do E, and then you go to A. And after A, you're gonna go right to the second verse, and you're gonna start palm muting. You're gonna do lines in a shaker full of sea salt, catching a buzz, and hey, it ain't my fault, blame it on the Julio. Mix it up, baby, here we go. Okay, so that's what you'll do. Now, the second verse is the same as the first one. The second chorus is the same as the first one. For the solo part, you're just going to be playing E and A. So you're just going to be playing it just like you were before, like for the chorus. Okay? And for the bridge, you're going to do E, A, and then you don't do anything for everybody drink a little. Okay? and then you're gonna go into that last chorus. Now the way I would end the song, all right, you're just gonna end it on E. Oh baby, tequila on a boat, okay? All right, just something like that. So that's a short video, but that's how you play this one. So let me know if you guys have any other requests and stuff. I'm doing my best to get caught up on them. And I really do appreciate the comments and things, people asking questions about what kind of guitar I have, and you know, requesting other songs and different stuff, asking where I went on my vacations, different things. I appreciate it. So let me know if you guys have any other questions for me. If you want to know anything about me personally, that's great too. If you want to know how long I've been playing guitar and stuff, let me know. Yeah, it's been fun building up the community, and I really appreciate all of you guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.